and welcome to Wilderness Inquiry's Trail Tips and Tricks. Today we're talking about, you guessed it, more knots. Specifically, the taut line hitch. The taut line hitch is very similar to the bow line except for one thing. It's a sliding or adjustable knot that's used to anchor or secure the working end to an object. What that means is usually you'll see this in setting up a tent or maybe a rain shelter by securing the rope to a tent stake. Now, this sliding feature is handy whether it's adjusting the size to fit around an object, or as you slide, it increases tension on the standing end of the line and can keep your line taut. Let's show you how it's done. First, it's helpful to know that ropes are broken down into two ends, the standing end and the working end. The standing end is the part of the rope that's static and doesn't move, while the working end is free for you to move around and we're going to be doing most of our work with. So, let's start. To begin the taut line hitch, you would start by securing the standing end of your line here to an anchor or an object. Since we're in my apartment, I used a coffee table. But if we were out on a trail, that could be a rock or a tree, or possibly one side of your trailer. Next, I'm going to take the working end and I'm going to wrap it around my next anchor. In this case, again, being in my apartment, it's a lamp. But if we were out on a trail, that could be another tree to say hang a clothesline, or the other end of your trailer to secure a load. Next, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pass my working line here over the top of my standing line here, like so. And I'm going to pinch that so everything stays in place. Now you'll see I've created a loop here. Next, I'm going to pass this working end through that loop, not once, but twice, snugging that line up on itself so it remains nice and tight. Next, I'm going to switch hands, pinch those two loops, and I'm going to pass the working end in front of those two loops on the standing line one more time. This time, passing it through the loop only once. I'm going to pull that down nice and tight so it slides up on itself. And now we have our taut line hitch. At this point, we can slide the knot further up the standing line to increase tension, or slide it down to loosen, like so. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. Now, be safe out there, and don't forget to share the adventure.